For Winnebago. Jeez.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockford, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Cherry Valley, and Winnebago, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 8 and 15. This includes Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, fuck this stupid thing. And whatever.
The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winnebago County will expire at 9 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and has exited the warned area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A severe thunderstorm watch remains.